Here's how to fix Snapchat if it's not working. Now, if you're trying to open up the Snapchat app and it's not working as normal, you can't send or receive messages, the Snap Map is not working, you can't send stories, any of those different things, I'm going to walk you through some steps to get fixed and definitely get everything working in the Snapchat app. So the first thing we'll do is we will hop into Snapchat, and if it's not working as normal, you might just want to check other functionality. So go to the map, go to the messages, see if some things are working and some other things aren't. Now, if you go through all of these different things and identify certain things that aren't working, that could help you get an idea of why they might not be working. So, say if these stories aren't working, the camera's not working, you might need to give permission for Snapchat to access your camera, etc. But if you hop out of here, some general things that you can check and do to make sure you get it working is open up a web browser and we're going to type in speed test here. And we're first going to check your internet connection, and then we're going to check the Snapchat servers. So let's hit run speed test, and you're just checking to make sure you have a good and stable internet connection. If that looks fine, then the next thing we're going to do is type in is Snapchat down and go to down detector here. So if Snapchat is not working normally, potentially it's just not working because the Snapchat servers are down. And you can see on here if there's any reported outages, then basically you just need to wait until Snapchat gets everything back up and running. Now, going through all these things, you've checked your internet, the Snapchat servers. The next thing is to check if there's a bug or glitch in the Snapchat app itself. And the best way to fix that is just go into your settings, tap on general here, and then iPhone storage. Now we're just going to find the Snapchat app and we're going to offload it and reinstall the app. If you're on Android, all you're going to do is clear the cache, delete the app, and then reinstall Snapchat. So I'm going to hit reinstall app here. This again force updates to the latest version, gets rid of all kinds of bugs or glitches in it, and generally just clears the cache and helps with the performance of the app. So after going through all of that steps, all of these process, then you can open up the app and it should be working as normal. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.